Come in.
Hey, sweetie. Can you talk?
Yeah.
I've been meaning to talk to you about your snoring.
Okay.
You see, when you sleep, Alicia, it sounds like a freight train running full steam ahead that's just run into two bears fucking on the tracks.
Really?
Yes! And I've heard of this surgery where they shave your uvula.
Oh.
Oh, for goodness sake, darling. The uvula's in the back of your throat. Yours must be the size of an ostrich egg.
Do you think it's bad for my brain?
Oh, God, no. You're fine. You could live on the moon with the amount of oxygen you're sucking in each night.
Oh. Phew.
I'm just very concerned that you'll never find a husband with that Canadian goose trumpeting you're doing all night long.
A husband?
Now, if it were your sister, I'd be a little less concerned. She's built like a brick shithouse. Oh, it's all right, Alicia. You ended up really good at math. No one saw that coming.
Thanks.
Shouldn't you be doing homework or something? Never mind. I'm not worried about that. What's this?
Oh, that's for science.
All right. Well, it was nice talking to you. Ugh.
Bye.